Okay guys, we're back today with another how-to video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a really pretty nice rocket launcher here, like a bottle rocket launcher. So first you're going to need a 2-liter bottle. This is like a 1/2-inch spout thing on it, and then just a normal 2-liter bottle pretty much. You need probably about 10 feet of PVC piping. And then you're going to need to make 3 of these size things. It's about 3 feet long with a cap on the end of it. You're going to need to make 3 of those. And since I ran out of stuff, I had to use a connector on this one. And then once you get the 3 of those made, you're going to want to make you're going to take like a right arm thing with a 3 on it and just drill a hole all the way through the top and down out through the bottom. That's for the launcher part of it. So what you're going to do this is, I'm going to move this out of the way, I'll show you that in a little bit, but what we're going to do is we're going to take all 3 of these and connect them into one piece like this. And then if you want to cement it, it's okay, you don't have to, but I tried that and it just kept falling apart. So now I'm going to show you the launcher part of it. So as you can see, it's the same thing. I kind of sanded it down a little bit on the front just to get the bottle on easier. Take a few zip ties right here, and then what you want to do is you want to have an O-ring. You can get them at like Home Depot or something for about 50 cents. This is what this is right here. And then put a decent amount of zip ties inside through the O-ring. And then after you get that, you're going to want to have some kind of clamp, kind of like this one here, and slide that over the whole thing, and then clamp it down as tight as you can get it, like as tight as you can get it, because this thing's going to be holding like 80 psi, so as tight as you can get this is what you want it, or else the zip ties will just fly out, so we don't want that. So once you get the zip ties and that thing tightened down on it, you want to take the other O-ring, you're going to need 2 of them, and just slide it on the top of here. And then once you get your 2-liter bottle, just take your 2-liter bottle and slide it down with the O-ring, because you want the O-ring to be with the 2-liter bottle at the very bottom, like flush with it. So I'm going to have to redo mine because I built mine to test it real quick just to make sure it worked. See, there's the O-ring, and then the bottle just pushes it down. And then make sure that all of the zip ties and everything fit over the bottle here. Just make sure it goes over that lip on the zip ties, and then the O-rings up with that. That's basically it. But also, to hold the zip ties down, you're going to need another type of clamp. It's just one of these pipe clamps. Just tighten it down and get it slid over this thing, and make sure that it goes over the zip ties like this. This thing is pretty important because this is how you're going to launch the rocket. So then just have it on there like that. Just leave it here, and I found a clamp that would hold it up from sliding all the way down, which is nice. So we got that, and I'll show you the rest of the things. So that's the mechanism for launching it. And then down here we have where the pressure is going to be inserted with all the air. It's just a T connector with a little bit of PVC pipe, and then there's a slip and then a threaded end on this. And then I have the twisted thing to go to the tube here. And then a little bit more, and then a release valve here, because you want this because it releases water, and then more. So now you're going to want to take this and then just slide the bottom of this PVC pipe in that hole like that. And then you have the launcher built already like this, okay? And then once you get the pipe here, you're going to want to have brass connectors to connect it to the bike pump. So just have like a little connector piece here, and then a twister piece with a thread on it, and tighten these down just as high as you can get it. And then put I think it's like an 8mm little connector there. And then I have a 20-foot cable. Well, it's like a vacuum tube cable here. And then you're gonna have your bike pump here. So once you got your bike pump, this is the pretty easy part. You just gotta connect this into there thing, and then I'll show you how to launch it. So I'll connect it in there, and then I'll show you how this works. Okay, now so that we got the bike pump connected with a hose, just bring this back a little ways, and then we can get ready to launch the rocket. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pump it from back here, and then I'll do a slow-mo video of it launching. So I'll show you how you would want to fill the water up with your bottle and everything. So I can just stand up. Okay. So you want your 2-liter bottle to have about halfway, a little bit less than halfway filled with water. And then what you're gonna do is just, you don't need to be too fast with this. Just slide it over the end of it, but I'm going to turn this because it's gonna shoot towards the house. So just turn it over onto the pipe and push it down. And then this is why, and then just slide up to the thing right here all the way to the top. And then do your release valve, let the water out that fell down the tube, and close that. And then to inflate the bottle again, you want to just pump it once like that, okay? So now that we got the bottle on there and ready to go, I'm going to pump it up and do a slow-mo video. So here we go. Okay, so that was the slow-mo. I got it up to 60 psi on that time. Now I'm gonna do it so it's not slow-mo, so you can see what it sounds like. And actually, the first time I tried this, the whole thing fell apart because I forgot to cement the thing, but that's okay because I got it to 80 psi on that time. So I went down to 60 and it hasn't destructed itself. So I'm going to go fill up the bottle real quick and we can do it again so you guys can hear what it sounds like when it goes off. Okay, I got the bottle clean, and I got some water in it. I'm gonna go drain the valve because that's the important part, because after you launch it, you want that water out or else it clogs up your lines. And after you just leave that open for a second and just do a couple pumps to get all of the water that went up into your bike pump line. So after you do that, clamp that down, and that's ready to go. All of our stuff is set, and I'm gonna launch it. So I'm gonna move the camera up so you can kind of see a little bit better when it launches. About right there, and I'm gonna pump it up, and then I'm gonna go release it for you, and you can kind of see how it launches and the sound it makes. So. Okay, so we just passed 20 psi. We're 40 now. Okay, we'll go to 60. So right now. So it is pretty loud. So that's what it'll do, and it actually ended up all the way over there. Let's see here, right there. So, I mean, it did go pretty high. It went almost over the telephone pole. Okay, so that was our final launch we're gonna do today. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So I did make this for about $40, which is not too bad. So just go to your local Home Depot or Lowe's or something and pick up some of this stuff. It's pretty cheap, and it's quite fun. So if you did like this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So for more awesome new projects that I'm going to be doing, subscribe for more things, and I'll see you back later.